Yes, our recording has started. Now, Mataba, if you could show your work and give us an explanation how you did it. And in the meantime, if you guys have any question, please feel free to ask and follow this video. We did it in the class previously. So Mataba did work according to the class. Now he is explaining the work. Go ahead, Mataba.
Yeah, okay. I have a project into Excel. So I have three test cases. Test case 1, test case 2, and test case 3. And you can see usually what we do is we call all the functions from the action 1. But here, what we did is we created all different function libraries. And then we put all different functions in a different function library. So I can say here is action 1. I'm going to call this test case from action 1. If I call the action line number 1, this function, then it will go to the framework driver function library I created before. And if you don't know driver, yes, framework driver. Okay. So framework driver, yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
I have a question: is this framework driver is for all test case or not only like at test 1?
So this framework driver will be called by every test cases.
Okay. So this one framework driver will work for every test case.
Every test case, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So the framework driver, now we have a function like func framework driver, and we have a variable here, this dash number. So I'm going to come this later because in framework driver, what we are doing here, we are creating an Excel object, and we are creating a number 3 line. We are creating a file system object, and we are giving the file path where we are going to read the Excel sheet 1. We are going to read the Excel sheet 1.
Now, Mathabai, I have a question here. Mathabai, you have created your Excels in desktop, C users. Do you know that when you are replacing your virtual operating system, that will be gone?
Yes, this is another question I'm going to ask you later because I was trying to do this in the share drive, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I need your help with the share drive. You can show me one, and I can transfer everything, move it from C drive to my share drive.
Okay, hold on. So now go to your C drive. Let me transfer it now.
Okay.
Go to your desktop basically.
Okay, desktop.
Mm-hmm. Where did you save your file? Okay, copy this whole folder. Now go back. Yeah, right click on this folder and copy it. And then go to your shared drive. Go to your shared drive. Yeah, put it here. Remove the right. Okay, hold on. So when you shared it, the problem that you made, right? The problem you made, let me show you. Can you see this folder? If you right click on it, shared folder settings, right? And then this is your shared drive, right? Can you see you made it read only? So what you will have to do, you will have to uncheck this read only, and then auto mount make permanent. Yeah, you will have to uncheck this and click OK. Probably you will need a restart, but that is what you will have to do. Yeah, now if you restart your virtual machine, let me pause recording.
doing now?
Copy and paste it in your shared drive while UFT is being opened.
Okay, so this is what to do. Just okay, that's okay. So we'll talk.
Now if you copy this and go to your, first copy this, my UFT project.
Okay, let's do that.
Copy this and open computer.
Computer or virtual machine?
Yeah, open virtual machine computer, open computer. Mother bed, hold on. So what do you do now? Open computer. So you have your C drive here, right?
Yes.
So in
This is shared.
C drive you put, in shared drive you put this whole thing.
Okay, now it is copied in shared drive, right?
Yeah.
Paste it in shared drive.
Hold on one minute. Okay, so can you see your copying is done, right?
Copying is
Yeah. Now what I'm going to do, can you see this path? This is coming here as E, and then inside E you have my UFT project. Is that correct?
yes.
Okay. So now I'll show you how you can do it from your shared drive.
Right, okay, thank you.
Okay. So can you open? Let me see. Hold on. Where is your? Can you open your test?
Can you read from here? From reset, you can do that?
Yeah, execute all test cases, right? This is the one that you have? Yeah. Open, execute. Hold on. It is opening basically TC02, but we are not going to open TC02. I'm going to open execute all test cases. Let me open it and then I'll close it and reopen the all test cases. Now here file, were you able to combine all of the function libraries, all of the repositories?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, good. Now where is execute all test cases? Which one is that?
I think so. Yes, it is right. Yeah. Should be. Yeah, right here. No, not in there. Go to ink. I think this is going to work for all that. I think this is going to work to that.
Is it end-to-end Excel framework?
International framework, yes.
Okay. Now if you go to your function library and inside function library, where is your other functions? I cannot see your other functions.
I'm not sure. Maybe not.
This
not
one.
like that. They are into it. Yeah, not into it.
Okay, hold on then. Hold on.
But we have the execute all test cases, right?
Give me a second. again we are looking in desktop, right? We are going to look at shared drive. Let me see. Is it the folder UFT project 2017
That's the folder. That's the folder.
or this one?
Not that one. No. Yeah, that's one. Yeah, this one. Okay, yes.
So what you will have to do here, instead of C users desktop, instead of all of this path, you're gonna put E, right? And then let's say associate all of the function libraries that you have created. So let's say which one is the function library? Can you associate all of the function libraries?
Okay, color function.
Yeah, associate it.
Function. Yeah, color function.
Mm-hmm. Now click on here, Madhabai. When you are associating function library, you click on here. Right click here. Framework driver is already there.
Already there, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Framework driver is already there, okay. Framework driver is there, okay. Utility function. Utility function, right? Okay. I think framework driver, color function. That's not right here.
Okay, now can you execute? Let me see if what happens if you execute.
Yes, yeah, color is not this one. Color function, this is not the right one.
This is not the
Remove this one.
okay.
No, because in the color function, I have all the cases.
Yeah, remove it and then associate the right one. And do not create same function in multiple places. That will confuse you and make your work very hard.
Yeah, that's what happening because two functions library I'm not seeing here. When I'm associating, I don't see it here.
Okay, then can you see which one was that? Can you save it and can you click on file? Open test. No, not function library. Open test.
Okay. Test.
So which one is that? Is it end-to-end Excel framework or execute all test cases? Which one is that? Okay, so that is what we opened basically.
Yeah, previously opened that.
Now if you expand it, let me see how many functions. Okay, you have. Okay, you have.
That's the right one.
Okay, so do not make copy of same function library in multiple places. That will later on confuse you. If you need something, just keep it. If you do not need it, just you name it in a different way or you remove it. Okay, all right. Now, yeah, go ahead and give the explanation.
Okay, so you will go from beginning again.
Mm-hmm.
So what we have I have a project name, execute all test cases, and here I have all 3 test cases. And usually what we do, when you execute test cases, you will run from action, and all the function we have in the action. But here, what we did is we created all different function libraries, and we put it on different function library and different functions in different function library. So here we have framework driver. Let me bring the framework driver. When we have 3 test cases, I'm going to execute 3 test cases, but if I execute number 1 test cases, it's going to go to the framework driver.
1 minute.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what is that 3 test case function?
Okay.
Function library.
Okay, hold on. Mahatab bhai. Munir bhai, notice what I'm saying. Can you see you have 3 test cases?
What?
You have 3 test cases.
Right, yes.
So we are calling the same framework driver with parameter 1, 2 or 3. So when you are calling the framework driver first time, framework driver with value 1, then this framework driver function will be called, and this parameter will get value 1. Okay, and then what will happen, can you see, when you are asking what Excel file to open, you are sending here, right? Can you see, you are sending here the number. If you are executing test case 1, you are sending number 1, so it is coming here. Then the path becomes, let's say if you copy this, right, if you copy this, and if you are sending 1, what happens when it opens, right? You come here, and what are you sending? You are sending 1, right? So this is going to be replaced, by 1, right? And if you open it, you will see the Excel is opening for test case 1. For test case 1, can you see, if I make it bigger, right? Can you see, these are the steps that you have for Excel 1. So it will open this Excel. It will, yeah. Now let me show you one other thing. Let me show you one other thing. So if you go to, close this Excel. So if you go to shared drive, right? Shared drive, and then his UFT is my UFT project, and inside that one, if you, where is your Excel, Mahatab bhai? Excel.
Okay, Excel. .xls is.
Hold on, I'm looking at it. So can you see my project end-to-end UFT Excel, right? Under this path where he has all of the Excels. Now if I go there, and you will see, can you see this Excel folder? Here he has 3 Excel. For test case 1, can you see, this is the Excel. For test case 2, this is the Excel. For test case 3, this is the Excel. Now if you open, right, if you open one of the Excel, you will see for test case 2, whatever functions you have already written, the functions, whatever functions you have written, you will be placing all of the functions here, and then you will give it a name. Can you see, all of the functions that you have created for test case 2 are here. So I'm going to close this Excel, and now if you take a look, right, if you take a look, when you are passing 2 here, then it will open that Excel, and then it will look if this Excel exists. If this Excel exists, it will open that Excel. Can you see, we are opening this Excel in line number 10, and then we are opening the sheet, and then we are counting how many rows we have in that Excel, and for each of the rows, right, for each of the rows we are we are executing call functions, right, with each of the rows. And in call functions, if you look at, if you go to caller funclib, you will see there is a, let me open it. If you go there, you will see that in call functions, again the function is coming here. Let's say your function is open, all browser close, so it will come here, it will execute this block, all browser close, and then it will execute one by one all of the functions. That is what basically.
Can you go down?
Yeah, okay,
Can you
sure.
go down? This one is 5. Okay, this all is here. Eh?
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
So, Sonoma, one thing is this sign up not should be on the in or no, is okay.
Which
Sign
one?
up.
Which one? I didn't get it. Could you repeat?
Sign up. Sign up verification.
Uh-huh.
Sign up. This is in or is okay, and if it is, we can put it.
Sign up verification, what is the
Sign
question?
up verification.
Yeah, I didn't understand the
So that
question.
one is if you want this profile is that one is in,
Mhm.
but if you don't put the sign up is on the in, there is sometimes it makes problem.
No problem. You can put sign off anywhere. Probably he put
Okay.
sign off in the beginning. So no problem. You can put any function
Okay.
anywhere.
Okay, I get it.
Okay. And he has probably in the utility function, probably he has get timestamp. You already know what is get timestamp. You can do it or not. So yeah, you know, you can write some function in utility term. It doesn't matter. It is not important. Basically, what you need to create 3 Excel for one test case 1 you put all of the functions, and in Excel 2 you put all of the function for test case 2, and in Excel 3 you put all of the functions for test case 3, and then you call these functions by this framework driver. That's it.
Okay.
Alright, so again, as I recorded this, you follow this. If you cannot, we have previous recording, go through the recording, end-to-end recording, the end-to-end recording that I sent, go through that. You will get all explanation over there. Try it yourself. If you cannot figure it out, follow multiple times. If you cannot follow multiple times, then let me know. So I cannot start, we are,
So,
go ahead.
okay, yes. Sonoma, you don't need a function, right? Like a function library, you don't need to here, function.
Which one?
Like this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Function.
Which function?
Details of the function. Like we call from like test 2 is.
No. Details. See, details of the function. Details of the function will be in your. You will create another function library where you will write details of the functions. Like whatever functions you have written, you will be placing in a separate function library. All of the function library will be coming in a separate function library. Can you see all of the functions are here?
Okay.
Okay.
And can you check my this Excel? I create because I have already create before the 2 Excel sheet, but this one is I think I have something is missing over there. Can you check it that one? I cannot create the Excel.
Okay. Sure. So Madhab, I think your work looks good to me, but make sure you are able to answer the questions in the next class. Okay.
Inshallah.
Alright, so Munir, I am making a presenter. Let me see.
I have a quick question. Just very quickly, I would like to show you, and so that I will be clear.
Sure, I'll take a look.
Yeah. You see, I try to create this Excel sheet is this one. This my file path is C and temp, but it is not creating. When I execute, it's showing is cannot find out.
Okay. Alright, now let me take a look. So what are you trying to do here? You have an Excel in C temp, you are trying to open this, right?
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Now before you can you see you have 2 error messages. Let me see what is this error message. Can you click yes? So in line number 38, call function, it is expecting, can you open this function library? Yeah, it is here. Hold on. call function, line number 38. Hold on. So in line number 38, let me see. Go to line number 38. Okay, first go to 268. Let me see what is. Okay, go to 38. Go to 38. You are near to 38. Okay, hold on here. So in 38, can you see that? Make sure you are not keeping any space here. Make sure you are not keeping any extra space here. Can you see you have extra space? And can you see when you are starting, you will have to close it. Okay. Okay, and then can you see? I can see all of the spaces here. You will have to remove all of the spaces. In the double quotation, you cannot keep any spaces. Okay. Then you have a problem in line number 268. Let me go there.
I think same problem maybe is a double quotation right side maybe.
Right, 268. str function, right? Can you see str function? This str function need to be, when you are putting it, right, this is a variable, right? Then you need to add this with
ampersand.
yeah. So if you follow the video properly, everything we did, just follow the video. That will probably be more helpful. So you see how we write this line. If you see there is a problem in line 268, we have written line 268 in your video.
Yes.
So go that part. Okay. Now let me see. In your action, you are trying to write something here. Now let me see what is happening. Now ctemp function.xls. Let me see what you have in your ctemp. Ctemp. You do not have a file called functions.xls. Can you see? Do you have a file? The
I have to create.
No, it will not create. It will not create. It is. Can you see? You are opening it. You are not creating it. You are opening it here.
Okay, I get it.
Okay. So if you try to open something first, you will have to have it over there. Okay.
Okay, I need to create over
Yeah.
there. Okay.
All right. So now you got.
I
your.
need to create like a.
Go ahead.
I need to create like a free Excel sheet first, right?
Yeah. Yeah. And then you open it in your framework driver. Basically, this code will go to framework driver. Okay.
Framework driver.
Yeah,
Okay,
inside
yes.
framework
I
driver.
can create it.
And can you see this function that you have written as framework driver? It will be here. Basically, it will be a different thing. This one will be your all functions. This one will be. Let me. Basically, you will have to change the name. This will be all functions.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, solve it. And if you cannot solve it, look at the video. If you still cannot solve it, get back to us. You can get back to me. You can get back to Mahtab bhai. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, inshallah.
Yeah. So I'll keep you. I'm not going to do the work for you because I already did it once in the video. If I do it for you, then you will not learn. You will have to do it by yourself.
Okay, inshallah.
Okay. But let us know if you cannot do it.
Inshallah.
Okay. All right. So Nafisa Babi, what do you have any other question, Munir bhai?
Yeah, that's very
And no.
Okay. All right, Nafisa Babi, I'm making you present.
Okay. All right. So let me open. Just stuck.
Yep. So in the meantime, let me stop recording. I will send you the link of this recording.